Hi YouTubers, I'm doing a very quick video here of this restoration or repair of a WEM Power Musette MK. I just finished this one. I didn't make a video of the actual repairs, but I think it's fairly safe to say that this is the kind of thing you'd expect to do if you were going to repair one of these. There's the main smoothing cap. There's another smoothing cap there. That's a 33 UF at 350 volts. That's what the replacement is. That's what the schematic called for. There's a 1 UF mustard capacitors. They're designed to replace the mustard caps. So capacitors, there's one there, one there. There's one down here in the front, and the resistor that didn't come up to spec. The valve complement for this amp is a 12AX7 or ECC83. That's a Mullard yellow jacket. That's a Mullard, standard Mullard with the white logo. There's another yellow jacket under there, behind these screen sleeves. There's two EL84s in the front, both Mullards. These are all original valves, which I've decided to keep. So all the pots have been cleaned. The switches have been cleaned, there's one there and one there. The whole chassis itself has been wiped clean, dust taken off it. And every component was measured prior to replacing anything. So as far as I can tell, everything is good. Everything is clean. The electrolytics have been replaced. Over here is the case. I don't know whether you can see that, but that's the original speaker. These are a bit of a mystery. Nobody seems to know where they were made. Some people say they were made in Italy, but I don't know. It has no markings on it. It's a big horseshoe magnet on the back. I put it all back together. I just want to show you everything. You see across the front there you've got your treble boost with your volume, bass and treble. Channel 2 you have the same thing, volume, bass and treble, and your on-off switch. And your on-off light, power indicator and the fuse holder. And you can see this one has the WEM logo. It has the original grill cloth in superb condition. In fact, the whole amp is in really good nick. On the top we have the handle, it's a bit dusty, and then we have two vents at the back, held in the box by two screws, one each side. And then if you go around the side, you can see a couple of screws there. That's also to help the chassis stay in place. On the back here we see two more vents. They're lined up with the vents on the top. And in the back we've got that speaker I was telling you about. I believe it's an Alnico speaker made in Italy. It's been wired in, which has the UK plug. And in the back I've kept a bag here. And in the bag there's the smoothing cap and the other parts that I changed that weren't up to spec. I'll just keep that in the back should anybody wish to see it in the future. There's a little metal label, if you will, on the back. It says WEM. There's a serial number. This amp has the original WEM cover. It's getting a bit brittle now, but it still works okay. It's got a few scars, battle scars. It's a bit torn here, a little bit torn over here. But by and large it's okay. Needs a bit of a dust.